Welcome to a new tutorial video. In this tutorial, you'll find out how to schedule posts on LinkedIn by using Taplio. Taplio is an external service that you can use in order to schedule your posts on LinkedIn. This is how you'll need to connect them. First of all, go onto the Taplio website. Here, you'll need to sign up, or you can just click on Start for free. You'll get this option to download the Chrome extension. Click on it. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Here, click Add to Chrome in order to add the extension of Taplio X onto your Google. Click on Add Extension. You will be redirected to this page, which will give you the option to connect with LinkedIn. Just click on that option. You'll be asked a few questions about your account. Just click on Next. And now you'll be directed to the main page of Taplio. You'll see that your LinkedIn account is now connected. In order to schedule any of your posts, just look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a pencil option. This is where you can make the posts. Click on it. You'll see a new tab has opened on the right side. Here you can write what you want to post on LinkedIn. Once you have your post ready, you'll see this Add to Queue button. Click on it. From the options, click on Schedule. And now you can choose whenever you want your post on LinkedIn. Once you select the time slot, click on Schedule and your post is now scheduled on LinkedIn. That is how easily you can use Taplio in scheduling your LinkedIn posts. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.